Now, Way 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Grace Anello with 31 Triple Doppler.
I just need a clear afternoon. Just a pretty much a clear afternoon. Not a lot of rain. Got some things to get done, and then bring it on.
What do you mean by clear? You think like sunshine or just dry from rain?
Dry from rain.
Okay, you can have that.
Oh, okay.
If you want sunshine, you cannot. But
ask and you shall receive.
All right.
There you go. The Lord provides.
Anello answers it.
Take a look right now at 31 Triple Doppler at 5:16 on your Thursday morning. We're looking at some light rain very first thing this morning, and we're going to see more of it as we head through the rest of the breakfast time hours. It is by no means a washout, but many of our southwest and central counties are seeing that rain. It will track east through breakfast time and your commute to work and to school today. If you're one of those ones that still has school today, I think most of us are out. But at this point, we will see that rain for just the next several hours. And then, as Chris asked for, dry away as we head into this afternoon. By the time we get to this evening, though, that's when we'll start to see our severe weather risk come into play. When we spoke at this point yesterday, just our far northern counties and a few of us in the shoals were in the level 1 out of 5 risk. However, new this morning, almost all of us in the Tennessee Valley are in a level 1 out of 5 risk this late afternoon and into this evening, ahead of rain and possible severe thunderstorms. That light rain this morning will stick with us, pushing east towards I-59 through about 7 a.m. and then it's out of our way by about 9-10 a.m. We'll see a mix of more sunshine and cloud cover and 1 or 2 pockets of rain throughout lunchtime. However, for the most part, we will be dry until we get to the heat of the day. At that point, we start to see stronger rain and storms develop in southern Tennessee and the shoals. Those track due east, and in fact, they come in 2 separate rounds, following us through your evening commute home, through dinner time, and not fully getting out of the way until closer to bedtime tonight. So this is more of a severe weather risk for late this afternoon through bedtime. Let's talk about our temperatures. When you wake up first thing this morning, we have a whole lot of cloud cover, and that is why we are so warm. You're the coolest of the bunch in Fort Payne at 65 degrees, 73 degrees right now in Huntsville, and that same 73 in Muscle Shoals. We are warm, we are muggy, and the cloud cover is the reason you have both. By this afternoon, we'll reach a high temperature just about average, sitting in the mid-80s. We'll keep a light breeze, but again, it's later this afternoon and through this evening that we'll see that rain and storms. We have yet another severe weather risk, a level 1 out of 5, in effect tomorrow. This one for each and every one of us, and then that same severe weather risk, level 1 out of 5, repeated yet again on Saturday. So a lot to talk about. I'm going to stick on the 10-day forecast for a while, but it's because I promise we're going to make you get through your Memorial Day weekend with the full forecast information you need. So we covered Thursday. Let's talk about Friday. We'll see that rain very first thing in the morning. Friday's level 1 out of 5 risk is early in the day. We'll see those storms by 8 a.m. west of I-65, and those continue to track east. I'll go ahead and tell you Friday is our soggiest day, meaning we will just see round after round of strong thunderstorms, gusty wind, and a whole lot of torrential downpours. That stays with us all the way through about 6 o'clock, and then we'll see some lighter rain through the evening. But again, it's that morning and afternoon, just round after round of very strong storms. By the time we get to Saturday, it's morning rain, 1 or 2 embedded thunderstorms, but nowhere near as strong as what we saw on Friday morning. Most of that rain is gone by about 11 a.m., and then we'll see just light showers following us through the rest of Saturday. They will stay with us through dinner time and even bedtime, but it's much lighter rain than what we saw Saturday. Now, Sunday is in fact the stormiest day, but that risk comes late at night. We'll start to see a round of storms develop right around bedtime on Sunday, and that lasts with us through the early morning hours as we head into Monday, leaving us with morning rain. Now, it's too soon to put Sunday in a severe weather risk just yet, but I think we're going to. So by tomorrow, we'll know for sure. Check back in with me then so you have all the information to plan ahead.
All right, thank you so much.